gut feelers, today we're going to talk about heavy metal detox, and this is an advanced technique which I love to share with you. It's about how to remove toxic heavy metals like mercury, aluminum, or other toxic waste that has built up in your system over time. After watching this video, you're going to know how to safely transport out toxic waste from your body by using this simple but advanced technique. Guys, if you're new to this channel, my name is Peggy from peggyshow.com. Warmly welcome you here to Gut Feelings, the channel to support you to become your own health expert. So you take your freedom back, you get your energy back, and you have the power to share your unique gifts with the world. Now guys, without any further ado, I'm excited to share this advanced but simple technique how to remove toxic heavy metals out of your body. Let's go! I have a question for you. Do you know where most of the toxic heavy metals are stored in your body? It's in fat cells. So we are looking for something that helps us to divide the fat cells from the toxic heavy metals. So for example, mercury can be drawn out into the bloodstream, into the lymph, and then need to be absorbed by something that I'm going to share with you, transported out through the stool out of your body. That's the optimal way. Now let's figure out how we can do that. Nature provides everything. This is the magical herb. It's cilantro, coriander, which has the ability to do exactly that, to rapidly remove toxins from the brain, from the central nervous system, by separating them from the fat cells. So these toxic heavy metals actually get released out of the brain, liver, wherever you have them stored, and they are in the lymph and in the blood. This is just one part of the deal, because once the toxins are in the bloodstream or in the lymph system, what we really need, we need something that sponges them up. We need something that binds to these toxins, because if not, there's something called the enteropathic cycle. We just reabsorb them. And this is when detoxing really becomes dangerous, because this might just look green and really innocent, but this is power, guys. This is incredible. If you don't have something that sponges them up, it's going to be really toxic. You have all kinds of damage in your body. Really important, the second ingredient in this game, in this advanced technique to remove toxic heavy metals from your body. If you watched any video of this channel, there's probably going to be some talk about that one. This is a food, yeah, it looks like a pill, but it's actually a food. It's just pressed Hawaiian SPIRULINA. It's not chlorella, and it's not just any spirulina. You really want to look for Hawaiian SPIRULINA, because this is the one that you can be safe that it doesn't contain any toxins before. Because if any spirulina meets a toxin in the sea, wherever it's grown, it's going to sponge it up as well, and you're going to eat it. I also don't recommend chlorella, also in blue algae, because it's very clumsy. You can imagine chlorella being like the child of spirulina. Chlorella also picks a toxic heavy metal up, but then at some point it just lets it fall down again. It's not really reliable. These guys, they sponge and they never let go. Let's go into the nitty-gritty, how you can implement these two amazing superfoods into your diet. How does it look like? There are two ways how we can do that. One is cilantro shots, which is really, if you're a little bit hardcore like me, you can do that. If you're a little bit like oh no, I already hate the taste of cilantro, please don't do that. You want to go for the second variation, which is a detox juice. Let's start with the cilantro shots. What do you need? You just need water, and you need cilantro and a blender. 1 handful of cilantro. This is what fits into my hand. You can use the stems, so don't worry, don't throw them away. All goes in the blender. And some high quality water on top, and that's it. This is how it looks. Guys, I've got to be super honest with you. This is far away from tasty, and it's super easy and done in like 5 minutes or less. So now watch me drink it. I do it so many times, I still hate it, but it gets better. You just get a routine going, you know? Okay guys, that was variation number 1. Really simple. You just need a blender, cilantro and water. Now we're gonna go for the little bit more delicious variation where you need a juicer. This is super easy. I cannot demonstrate that for you because that would be a little bit too much cilantro for me today. What we're going to need here is 1 bunch of cilantro, and that's really awesome because you can get a whole bunch. Now we just had like half or a third of a bunch of the cilantro shot, but with this technique you can get a whole bunch in per day. That's awesome. So you need the cilantro bunch, 1 cucumber and 1 apple. You're just going to juice everything. And that's it, and drink it immediately. This is not everything. Now we got the cilantro in, and now we need something to be able to sponge these toxins up when they come out in the bloodstream and in the lymph system. Hawaiian SPIRULINA 5 taps. After you did the juicing or the cilantro shot, just take them with water like that. And that's it, guys. That's the whole recipe. That's the whole secret. I do recommend you to make that a promise to you to do it at least a week. Your body will love to have that longer, but psychologically, I found that it is a good amount of time that it's easy to commit to. I hope this video was valuable for you. Please share it with anybody where you know they have toxic heavy metals issue, or it might be just a good idea for them. This guy is amazing. Vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, magnesium, bursting with antioxidants, more antioxidants than almost any vegetable or fruit. If you're wondering about your skin and you feel like, oh my god, I'm getting old, nothing better than this powerful herb. Love to have your feedback. Is there anything I can improve in these videos? If you have any constructive feedback, any video wishes, please let me know in the comments below, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Happy detoxing. Bye bye. If this is the first time you're just starting out, you do the first time cilantro, you want to start with one of these shots or one of this juice.